8:48 in the morning. It's Wednesday, September 18th. I'm walking one of the trails here at the Hugh Ramsey Nature Park in Harlingen, Texas. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. Oh, that do. Look at all this mud due to the heavy rains they had on Monday. I'm gonna check out the Arroyo Colorado a little bit further up, and I'm gonna see the water level. It's extremely muddy here. Let me find out how muddy it is over there by the pond or the ponds. I'm gonna see three of them. So far, the mosquito repellent's working. Nothing biting my legs, my arms. This will be a short video. I'll resume here up ahead.